welcome back to the garage. We're going to be doing an LED headlight bulb upgrade on this 2010 Toyota 4Runner. We did a headlight restoration not long ago, and that got rid of the yellow look, but the headlights not so bright anymore. So halogen bulbs, as they age, will decrease in brightness. That's just how halogen bulbs age. But we're going to be doing some LED bulbs today. All right, so we're going to start on what we believe is going to be the hardest one, and that is the driver's side outer bulb. I'm just reaching in with my left hand and I'm turning it from the bottom up. So that would be counterclockwise, looking at it from the rear. And there's our bulb. So this one has 4 bulbs total. 2 for high beam, 2 for low beam. So I'm going to squeeze this tab, if I can reach this stuff here. I don't have a lot of... So this one has the narrow pins. So we're going to find our Novsight bulbs with the narrow pins, which are these. And that's going to plug in exactly the same way. So basically next, we're just going to take this in here. I may have to move this light so I can see. And same as it comes out, you just take it and line up the tabs. You really, with this one, you really can't see what you're doing. You could remove the battery, but I'm lazy. I'm going to not remove the battery. All right, I felt the tabs line up, and I just turned it, and it's in. So that wasn't horrible. Okay, pretty easy. All right, Wyatt, can you get this one? I'm going to turn this one the same way, counterclockwise. Come on. Okay. And the funny thing about halogen bulbs, if you touch them, they will degrade and maybe fail. The oil on your skin does something to them. So if you're changing bulbs, if you look at this one, it has the wider connectors, just like that. Put that in. And you're going to line up these tabs. See how this is made? You have a narrow tab, a wider tab. So basically you're just going to line this up the same way it came out. And you're going to turn it in clockwise as viewed from the rear. Okay? And we are in. So let me make sure the plugs are in. That's tight. Nothing's falling apart. All right, so we're just going to make sure these are working. These are the low beams. And if you compare the left side to the right, you can already see a big difference. And if we just look at high beam, definitely much brighter on the left. So again, you just take the connector and you're going to turn it counterclockwise. And basically what you're doing is taking these tabs. One is wider than the others. So let's say it's in this way. You're going to twist it clockwise from your perspective now, and pull it out. And the low beam, I believe, is the outer, is going to be the narrow set of pins. All right. Not a great camera perspective on this, but I believe you get the idea. put it back in, you're just going to line up your tabs. And turn it clockwise, and it'll lock in place. And you'll feel it go in. And there's a new seal. These will have new rubber seals. You may have to push in just a little bit to get that to turn.
Cut it. I'll put it in.
All right, we got that one in. We're going to move to the high beam. Same deal. Counterclockwise, disconnect your wiring harness. Plug in the new bulb, twist it in. Easy, got it? Awesome. All right, before we call it done, let's make sure they're on and working. Hit the high beam. All right. Wow, definitely working. All right, let's turn the light off.
You're the fan.
Yeah. What a difference. That's awesome. Definitely way brighter. That's a scientific term, way brighter. It's pretty incredible. So, awesome. All right, job well done, Wyatt. And again, the bulbs we used, these are Novsight 9005s and H11s. That's going to be your high beam and low beam Toyota 4Runner. And now, let's go for a drive.